How to fix Cash App too many failed attempts. So first you need to know that this lock that you have on your account is going to last between 24 hours and 48 hours. But you can try and lower the amount through this video. I'm going to show you how you can do it. So remember, if you don't want to contact support or what I'm going to show you, you can just wait 24 hours and try again. But if you want to try to reduce the time, you can click on your profile icon in the top right corner. You want to scroll down until you see support, and right here it doesn't really matter what you choose, you just have to scroll down and click on chat. Here you can explain that you get the too many failed attempts to Cash App support directly. Tell them that it is your card that you're trying to link, it's not somebody else's card, you just forgot the CVV or whatever. You can explain the issue was, what the issue was. So it could be your phone number that you get this issue on, too many failed attempts. So just explain the issue to them, ask if they can fix it for you, if they can reduce the amount of time you have to wait, and hopefully they will get back to you in time and reduce your sentence, quote unquote. So hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.